Welcome back, Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today's project name is Brinken. Brinken is a blockchain tokenization platform providing investors with new opportunities of generating passive income. Simply, you have to sign up on this website and you have to pass your KYC. After passing your KYC, you can invest your capital on this website. Their private sale will end after 136 days and its token ticker is BKN. Blockchain-based platform make it much easier through security token offering. You can set your profile after passing your KYC. Secure deposit. Once you decide your starting capital, deposit fiat or crypto in the platform in a completely secure manner. You can buy, sell tokens on this website, and you can also earn dividends. You can always sell your tokens to anyone at any time in their platform. What is tokenization? You can watch this video. This is a presentation video about this project. Amazing features. First is easy capital deposit. This is the interface of this website. Simply you can deposit and start capital and monitor your transaction history. You can watch your asset page, browse all listed tokens with Brinken with both open and closed sales status. And the sale page, you can explore the token for sale and start buying your favorite ones. And this is trade listed token detail. You can trade page to browse the token pair available and start trading your held token for other tokens listed in Brinken. You can also get voting power. Participate in the decision making pool created by the token issue according to your token balance and earn voting power inside the tokenized business. Mobile friendly platform. Invest with trust. Legally compliant token. Protected funds secured by SSL. Transparency, confidentially. And this is the FAQ section. You can know who can invest through Brinken. Everyone can invest through Brinken, whether you are qualified investor or retail one. Even a company will be happy to guide you to ensure you understand everything. How can I pass KYC? To start, submit application on the website. The app, once you have created an account, you will have to pass your KYC. You can also watch this video how to pass KYC. And these are their partners, and these are social media links, and these are their articles. You can also read them. This is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.